Fawad, maybe kindly request you to say a few words about your association with Filmfare. How was your experience?
My association with Filmfare is because of a lot of favoritism that I have from from Mr. Pillay and the rest of the team as well. And they've been very kind always. Um, I'm really thankful to Filmfare. I got my first award here in India from Filmfare as well, and did a cover for the most prestigious publication. Then did another one, and this is my third one, and it just gets better and better and better. So thank you for making me your favorite cookie.
Thank you. Fawad?
Well, I'll only say good things about Reliance Digital if they gift me something on the way out, and not a fridge or a washing machine, or something that's cooler than that. No, it's a cool store. Looks like a nice place. I've not really explored, so once the floor clears, then maybe I might take a round.
Fantastic.
AC mil jata hai. No, I want something that is cool, kind of like maybe some headphones.
One AC, please.
Like that. You need an AC?
We always need AC.
My favorite gadget. It can be any electrical appliance, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. It's my PS4. Yeah, that's my favorite gadget. Me and my sons.
We can see a lot of people nodding their heads to that.
I'm sure. Do you guys play video games? I don't know if you guys play video games. मेरी आवाज समझ तो आ रही है ना आप लोगों को? Or is it too muffled? नहीं? Hello? Can you guys hear me? समझ आ रही है? अच्छा, मैं बहुत boring बातें कर रहा हूँ इसका मतलब है?
No, they're all stumped just looking at your face.
So okay. चलो.
Have you ever been in a situation like that? I mean,
Dysfunctional family.
that and also two brothers. I mean, I'm just going by the promos, okay? Falling in love with the same girl.
No,
Have you been?
I've not had a chance to. I've not had the opportunity to fight with my siblings because both of them are sisters. So it'd be a very weird situation for any of us to be strangling each other. They can strangle me, I can't strangle them back. So so I'm used to getting strangled, and I'm used to getting things thrown at me. But otherwise, no, I think it's been we had a little disciplined kind of a upbringing. My father was a very strict person. So, but darte the. And yeah, I can relate to things in the film, and I think that to some extent everyone is somewhat dysfunctional, but I think dysfunctional should not be taken in a very negative way. It can be taken in a quirky way as well. You know, dysfunctional might produce something that is, I think, something that's productive as well.
What about you, Fawad?
Relate to, yeah, I can relate to a certain amount of rebellion that actually is in Arjun's character. And as a black sheep in my family, which he is in this family, I was the black sheep in my family, so I can completely relate to that. Every ounce of it, where you have so many complaints and so many regrets that ye main nahi kiya, wo nahi kiya, ye nahi kiya. So, yeah, that would be, I think, one of those things. Other than, I don't know, I also have a dog, so they also have a dog. Stuff like that, yeah, I guess.
Abhishek from Zoom. Alia and Fawad, you both shot for the magazine, so share your experience. How was it shooting together?
I think it's a pleasure to work with Alia. In fact, I'm quite sure of that. She's quite full of energy. She's a talented performer. And that's something that is now becoming a bit of a cliche because I think it's associated with her, how great an actor, dancer, and performer and singer she is. So in a magazine shoot, I've never seen her really shoot for a magazine. I've not seen many of her shoots. So looking at that, I think she's just on her way to, in a different, another trophy. But otherwise, I think this Filmfare cover was supposed to be with me and Shahid Kapoor, I believe. But Alia just sort of stepped in at the last minute.
Sorry, I had to make my presence felt. It was important for
I have
me.
to also button that Alia is probably the fastest heroine I've seen who wraps up 5 changes in 1.5 hours. And it's true. Usually heroes take 1 hour for their hair and makeup, but she is fantastic. She takes 1.5 hours for 5 changes. She's lovely.
Notice that he did not compliment me that way.
Fawad, you are lovely. Period.
No, but I think I took a lot of time. That was one of your complaints.
No,
अच्छा,
नहीं, you
okay.
took time. No, you didn't take
You
any
didn't take
time.
time at all.
बेचारा फवाद, I was feeling very bad for him क्योंकि देख रहे हो फिल्म पे the cover he's wearing one heavy coat and all. It was so hot and Fawad was like just dying. I was feeling so bad for him. I was like, oh God. So in the name of fashion, we guys have to do a lot of things. I think you all should all clap for Fawad.
फवाद, आपने कोई फिल्म देखी हो आलिया की जो आपको पसंद आई?
Alia's, I have seen Highway. I have seen that movie. Yeah, I've seen Highway. And I think she's given a tremendous performance in that film. That's the last one I can remember. I may have seen something else. I've seen a little bit of Humpty Sharma, but my wife saw all of it. I did not get to see all of it. She saw most of it. But Highway is a movie that I saw completely from start to end, and I think her work speaks for her work speaks for herself as an actor. I think she's, इन्होंने तो मेरी खामखा में तारीफ करती है, but I genuinely mean that about her, that she is a phenomenal actor. I will repeat myself again, and a phenomenal performer. And I think to excel in such a young age, at such a fast pace, and actually be able to stand toe to toe with actors who've been working for years and years and years, is quite a feat. Is quite an achievement. And she'll come on to you very strong. I mean, first day we shot, she just came on so strong. I was like, wow. I was not expecting this. I thought maybe we should sit down and rehearse this first. But she's so improvisational that she just immediately comes up with stuff. And then I had to sort of bounce off of that, which became a bit of a difficult thing for me because मुझे वैसे भी हिंदी syntax और semantics समझ नहीं आते. तो मैं आगे से line भी कोई नहीं मार सकता था.
What rubbish is talking absolute nonsense. Tell them what you don't like about me now.
But I don't like
Tell them one
your
bad thing.
over competitive nature in games.
फवाद, हाय, अली फ्रॉम
Hi.
मूवी टॉकीज। इंडिया में आपके इतने सारे फ़ैन हैं, बहुत लोग आपके सीरियल भी देखते हैं। पाकिस्तान में आपको बहुत सारे फ़ैन हो गए। जब कोई आपकी मूवी इंडिया में रिलीज होता है, क्या सेम टाइम में पाकिस्तान में भी रिलीज होता है? बिकॉज बहुत सारी मूवी पाकिस्तान में रिलीज नहीं होती है।
अच्छा, सर आपकी आवाज़ इतनी मफल्ड आ रही थी।
सॉरी, एक्चुअली इंडिया में बहुत सारे आपके फ़ैन हैं, आपके सीरियल भी बहुत पसंद
thank
करते
you.
हैं। ऑब्वियसली पाकिस्तान में बहुत लोग आपको चाहते होंगे, बट बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि सेम मूवी पाकिस्तान में रिलीज नहीं होती है। तो डू यू फील ये एक्चुअली नहीं होना चाहिए? क्या फील करते हो अभी?
देखिए, फिल्मों का रिलीज होना ना रिलीज होना आई थिंक इज एन अनफॉर्चुनेट थिंग टू हैपन बिकॉज यू सी दिस इज, आप रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे किसी ना किसी तरह जो है फिल्म विल मेक इट्स वे इनटू दैट एरिया। सो इवेंचुअली आई थिंक ऑडियंसेस डू गेट टू सी इट। वो जो शायद सिनेमा गोअर्स हैं, जो शायद सिर्फ सिनेमा में जाके देख सकते हैं, प्रॉब्ली एल्डरली पीपल, अब तो उनको भी एक्सेस है। दे विल फाइंड सम वे और द अदर, कोई डीवीडी कहीं से ले आएंगे, कुछ कर लेंगे। सो आई थिंक व्हाट ओनली हैपेंस, उसका सिर्फ नुकसान ही होता है दोनों पार्टीज को। आई थिंक कि इट इकोनॉमिकली हर्ट्स एनी पर्सन हु इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द बिजनेस। तो दूसरी चीज़ मुझे से भी लगता है कि I understand and I completely understand why there are censorship laws in every country around the world. But do they really reflect accurately? That will always remain a question. क्योंकि आप और मैं सब के सब जब जाते हैं, हम कहते हैं कि यार ये फिल्म क्यों बैन होगी, इतनी ज़्यादा कट क्यों गई? अभी एक कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है कि नीरजा शायद बैन हुई थी, लेकिन कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि वहाँ पे was not even presented to the censors for approval in the first place. तो ये एक बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है, but otherwise I think there's some wonderful films that are still playing in Pakistan. So unfortunately it happens on some occasions and I can understand the censor board, but my only point is कि किसी ना किसी तरह हर कोई देख लेगा फिल्म को।